Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this box which comes a two pieces cable management box with locks that I received for ribbon purposes. And I think that they are really nice because that way you can have your cables all organized and you can keep them tidy and safe. As you can see, they come protected. It's a two piece. One is a large box that you can store many different cables, and they have two slits on both sides so you can pass through cables and keep them secure. The second one comes inside the first one and comes really well protected with this bubble wrap so it doesn't scratch either of them, which I think that it's really nice. The keys and everything that comes included with this set comes in the second box. We just have to open the lock and we can take them out through the slit, which I think makes it really nice. These boxes are made with a transparent acrylic material, which doesn't oxidize that easily, has a good heat dissipation and high temperature resistance. You can use them to storage blocks up to 12 inches in length, and they come with everything that you need, okay? So let's go ahead and test them out. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna use set with this power strip. I'm gonna pass all the cables through the slits. As you can see, there's a nice power strip with a lengthy space, and I'm gonna plug in my wireless charger to use it with it, okay? Some said we're gonna pass all the cables to the slits so we can still be able to use them, but not running the risk of them being unplugged or anything like that. We just make sure that each cable goes to each one of the slits that they need to go. And now that we have it ready, we can just go ahead and close it up and use the key so it's secured and no one can take them up. You just use the key like this and lock it up. I think that they're great because you can use them so your kids or pets don't unplug all your electrical cords, don't bite them or anything, which I think that they're really nice. They also are impact resistant polished corners, which makes it perfect to use anywhere that you need them. They also get included with some anti-slip stickers, so they are securely placed upon the floor. Overall, I think that they are great and I will really recommend them.